Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making Cornish game hen in the air fryer. We have here two Cornish game hen, and let's open it up. There you go. I'm going to drain the liquid first. There we go. Going to dry the chicken just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. I'm gonna use my left hand to touch the chicken, but my right hand's for the seasoning. Okay, so the first thing what we're gonna add is some garlic powder. Sprinkle it on. Some onion powder, some black pepper, some sea salt, there you go. Turn it over, do the same thing. And some paprika. Turn it over. Do the same thing, add the paprika. Okay, we have the chicken ready. And now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. I'll wash my hands. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put the chicken in. We're gonna spray some olive oil into the basket. Okay, let's put in the chicken. There we go. Before we put it in, we're just gonna spray a little olive oil onto the chicken. Let's put it in. We're going for 40 minutes at 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes so far. Let's flip it over. Looking good. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna spray a little bit more olive oil. There you go. Now we're gonna put it back in for the last 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 40 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Oh yeah. Whew. Smells great. Okay, let's check the temperature. Okay, it's well over 165 degrees. Now let's take it out. Okay, that's two. Smells really good. Okay, this is what we have today. Cornish game hen made in the air fryer. hope you enjoy this video, give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.